This is the Xiaomi 12T Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first and foremost, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Then you gotta launch the Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. After the security scan has been performed, you can launch the Opera and set it up. So the procedure is fairly simple. In here, tap on the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app, or you can skip this step. And finally, you can either customize the permissions and access that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.